Picture this. You're cruising down a winding road in your SUV, wind in your hair, music blasting, and not a single warning light on the dashboard. No weird rattles, no sketchy noises, no repair bills draining your bank account. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. There's one SUV out there that mechanics swear can hit 300,000 miles without a single major repair. And trust me, it's not the brand you're thinking of. Most people don't figure out which cars truly last until it's too late. You're stuck with a flashing check engine light, a warranty that's long expired, and a mechanic who knows your name a little too well. Today, I'm spilling the beans on the 8 SUVs of 2025 that dealers trust, mechanics love, and owners refuse to let go of. And the last one on this list? It shocked me, and I've seen it all. If you're shopping for an SUV in 2025, you need this list. Reliability isn't just about brand names anymore. It's about real-world grit that saves you money and stress. By the end, you'll know which one's the 300,000-mile champ, and why it's worth your attention. SUV number 1, 2025 Honda CR-V. Let's kick things off with a legend, the 2025 Honda CR-V, the SUV that ghosts the repair shop. You know that friend who's got their life together, pays bills on time, never misses a workout? That's the CR-V. Once it leaves the lot, it's like it vanishes. Not because it's boring, but because it never breaks. Owners buy this thing and forget what a mechanic's waiting room smells like. The 2025 CR-V is a quiet beast, a beefier chassis for rock-solid stability, razor-sharp handling that makes twisty roads a blast, and a bulletproof 1.5L turbo engine pumping out 190 horsepower. But the hybrid? Oh man, 104 horses, buttery smooth power delivery, and fuel economy that'll have you laughing all the way past the gas station. I had a client, Sarah, who bought a CR-V hybrid 3 years ago. She's at 92,000 miles now. Cross-country road trips, soccer practice, you name it. And all she's done is oil changes and a new set of tires. That's it. Inside, it's like Honda hired a driver to design the cockpit. Real knobs, intuitive controls, no overcomplicated tech nonsense that'll break in 5 years. The standard Honda Sensing Suite gives you adaptive cruise, emergency braking, and lane assist that doesn't nag you like an overbearing backseat driver. J.D. Power gave it an 8,500 for quality, and Consumer Reports predicts it'll outlast most competitors. But forget the stats for a second. Here's the real deal. In all my years selling cars, I've never had a CR-V buyer come back with regrets. That's not just a car, that's a flex. Pro tip: if you're eyeing the CR-V, go for the EXL trim for the best balance of features and value. It's got leather seats and a power liftgate without breaking the bank. SUV number 2, 2025 Acura MDX. Next up, let's talk luxury that doesn't stab you in the back. The 2025 Acura MDX. Luxury SUVs can be a trap, shiny and perfect on day 1, but by year 3 you're drowning in repair bills. Not the MDX. This 2025 beast is the rare luxury ride that doesn't crumble when the warranty runs out. I sold one to a guy named Mike, who's had his for 10 years. He's still bragging about how he spent less on repairs than on his kids' braces. Under the hood, you've got a battle-tested 3.5L V6 paired with a 10-speed automatic that shifts like a dream. No hunting, no lagging, just pure reliability. The cabin is where it shines. Refined but not fragile, with real wood and leather. A dialed-in ELS audio system that makes your playlist sound like a concert, and a touchpad interface that's finally intuitive. Acura's safety suite, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, lane keeping works seamlessly without driving you nuts with false alerts. Consumer Reports ranks Acura's V6 platforms among the most reliable in the luxury segment, and J.D. Power gives the MDX high marks for long-term quality. But let's get real. The MDX is the SUV you buy when you want luxury that doesn't betray you. No surprise breakdowns, no drama, just a decade of wow, I love this car. But the R-tip, check out the advanced package for heated second-row seats and a surround view camera. Perfect if you've got kids or live in a tight parking city. SUV number 3, 2025 Mazda CX-5. Ever driven something that feels like it costs a fortune but doesn't? Meet the 2025 Mazda CX-5, the compact crossover that drives like a luxury SUV, holds up like a tank, and costs under $35,000. The doors close with that satisfying thunk you'd expect from a car twice the price. And even after years of abuse, think muddy dogs, spilled coffee, winter salt, there's no rattles, no squeaks, no regrets. I recommended a CX-5 to my cousin last year, and she's still texting me. Why doesn't everyone drive this thing? You've got 2 engine options, a smooth, reliable 2.5L for everyday driving, or a turbocharged beast with 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque that'll pin you to your seat. It handles like a sports car, not a bloated crossover. Precise steering, no body roll. Inside, it's premium but practical. Soft touch panels, a leather-wrapped wheel, and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen with a slick rotary dial that's way easier than fumbling with a touchscreen. Mazda's iActive safety suite, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise, lane assist is standard and doesn't annoy you with constant beeping. This isn't the SUV that goes viral on TikTok. It's the one that quietly steals the crown for reliability and value. Mazda's not chasing headlines. They're building cars that last. Pro tip: the signature trim adds a heads-up display and Napa leather. Worth it if you want that luxury feel without the luxury price. SUV number 4, 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Now let's talk about the SUV equivalent of an old-school action hero, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. This thing is tough, unkillable, and doesn't care about trends. It's built on a body-on-frame platform like a truck, powered by a 4-circuit 4.0L V6 that's so overbuilt it's practically immortal. I've seen 4Runners hit 250,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and a new battery. No timing chain disasters, no transmission meltdowns, just pure stubborn reliability. A client of mine, Dave, bought his 4Runner a decade ago. He's crossed 200,000 miles, takes it off-roading every summer, and it still looks ready for another 200,000. That's not a car, that's a legacy. The 2025 model keeps it simple. Big buttons, durable plastics, and Toyota's Safety Sense suite. Adaptive cruise lane alerts, pre-collision braking, that's reliable without being intrusive. Off-road, it eats trails for breakfast. As a daily driver, it's comfy and composed. And the resale value, insane. People sell these after 10 years for half the original price. If you want an SUV that laughs at snow, mud, and time itself, the 4Runner is your beast. Buyer tip: the TRD off-road trim is perfect for adventure junkies, with skid plates and crawl control for serious trail work. SUV number 5. 2025 Lexus RX. Luxury SUVs often promise the world and deliver headaches. Not the 2025 Lexus RX. The RX 350's 2.4L turbo pumps out 275 horsepower with zero fuss, but the RX 500h F Sport Performance? That's the showstopper. It's a 366 horsepower hybrid that reduces engine wear, meaning fewer shop visits. The adaptive suspension smooths out rough roads and extends chassis life, engineering that pays off years down the road. I sold an RX to a couple who wanted luxury but hated surprises. 5 years in, they're still raving about how it feels brand new. The interior is premium yet practical. A massive 14-inch touchscreen paired with real buttons for climate and audio. No menu diving frustration. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 adaptive cruise lane tracing pedestrian detection boosts safety and cuts insurance costs. Compared to German rivals, the RX is cheaper to maintain, holds its value like a vault, and runs so reliably it's almost boring in the best way. Pro tip: the RX 350h hybrid balances luxury and efficiency for city drivers who want to save on gas without sacrificing power. SUV number 6, 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Hyundai on a reliability list, you better believe it. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is the sleeper hit nobody sees coming. Its 226 horsepower hybrid system is so smooth you'll forget it's saving you a fortune at the pump. Owners are reporting zero maintenance costs in the first 50,000 miles, and that 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty? It's a flex that Toyota and Honda can't match. I had a buyer, Lisa, who passed on the Santa Fe for a flashier brand. 6 months later, she was back, wishing she'd listened. This SUV drives like a champ, not a sluggish hybrid, with a modern functional interior, panoramic display, soft-touch materials, no buggy tech. It's luxury-level comfort without the luxury price. Most buyers overlook the Santa Fe, but those who don't, they're grinning while everyone else is stuck with repair bills. Buyer tip: the calligraphy trim adds a premium vibe with quilted leather and a 12.3-inch digital cluster, perfect for budget-conscious luxury lovers. SUV number 7, 2025 Toyota RAV4. If I had to bet on one SUV to survive the apocalypse, it's the 2025 Toyota RAV4. I've seen these hit 250,000 miles and still drive like they just rolled off the lot. The 2.5L engine and 8-speed automatic are rock solid. Whether you're in traffic or on a dirt road, the hybrid with 219 horsepower is a fuel-saving beast perfected over decades. A friend of mine, Tom, bought a RAV4 for his catering business. He's at 150,000 miles, hauling gear daily, and says it's the best money he ever spent. Built on Toyota's TNGA-K platform, it's stable, composed, and ready for anything. The interior is simple and durable. Real buttons, fast screens, materials that survive kids and winters. Toyota Safety Sense keeps you covered without being a nag. Owners don't buy RAV4s for clout. They buy them because they work. Year after year with insane resale value and maintenance costs so low, you'll forget mechanics exist. Pro tip: the XLE Premium Hybrid offers a moonroof and power seats for a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. SUV number 8, 2025 Subaru Forester. When someone says, I need an SUV for winter, trails in the next 15 years, I point them to the 2025 Subaru Forester. It's not loud or flashy, but it's damn near indestructible. The 2.5L Boxer engine sits low for better balance and less body roll, cruising past 200,000 miles with just oil changes. Paired with a smooth Lineartronic CVT and Subaru's legendary full-time all-wheel drive, it's ready for snow, mud, or anything else. I sold a Forester to a ski instructor who lives in the mountains. She's driven it through blizzards and over rocky trails for years, and it's still her trusty sidekick. The interior is all about function. Big windows for visibility, physical controls, an infotainment system that doesn't fight you, Subaru's EyeSight suite, adaptive cruise, lane centering, pre-collision braking, works without being a nanny. Owners keep coming back because the Forester takes a beating and keeps rolling. It's the SUV that outlasts your mortgage. Pro tip: the Wilderness trim adds rugged tires and higher ground clearance for off-road enthusiasts. These 8 SUVs aren't about TikTok fame or showroom dazzle. They're about saving you money, stress, and heartbreak. From hybrid efficiency to rugged AWD to luxury that doesn't quit, each one is built to go the distance. But that one SUV, the one mechanics say can hit 300,000 miles without a major repair? I'm not spoiling it. Rewatch the list and you'll spot it. My money's on the one that's been quietly dominating for years. If you're in the market for an SUV in 2025, don't get suckered by hype. Pick one of these and you're buying peace of mind. Drop a comment below which one's calling your name. And if this video saved you from a lemon, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the comments.